Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of CIT second year CIT 244 Electronics 2. Today I am going to deliver a lecture in front of you through a video lecture that is about the binary additions. Now we are discussing, as previously we have discussed, how to shorten or how to minimize a larger circuit through different formulations or simplifications of Boolean expressions. Today we will discuss about the half adder. We will discuss how half adder works, how this addition process basically summarize, and how we can make a smaller circuit that can add 2 bits. Now we will discuss half adder. Definition is such a combinational logical circuit. Combinational means in which two or more than two logical gates or instruments or devices combinedly make a circuit that is called combinational logical circuit. Such a combinational logical circuit which is used to sum or add two binary bits. Two binary bits means 1 plus 1 or 0 plus 1. This is bit 1 and this is bit 2. So two binary bits, where two binary bits are going to be summarized or add, that is called half adder circuit. Here I have designed a little block diagram that will easily that is basically I made to that you can acknowledge or understand how easy this process is. It is not a tough circuit. Here are the two binary inputs A and B, while here are the two terminals. The one is showing sum and one is showing carry out. For say 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 means 0 and 1 is carry out. This is sum and 1 is carry out. That carry out comes over here. So 1 plus 1 means in binary means 1 0. So here the logical circuit. Now I am coming to, now I am showing you the combination logical circuits propagation, how it works. Right over here we have an exclusive OR gate and this is AND gate. As you know that exclusive OR gate is basically the two wires of input are connected with exclusive OR gate and the output is showing the sum factor. While we connected, sorry to say, right over here, we have designed another input. From A input, we take right over here A input, and from B, we connected another input with this AND gate. So both exclusive OR gate and AND gate combinationally makes our half adder circuit. Now we will come towards the working of exclusive OR gate. As we know that exclusive OR gate's output is basically equal to A exclusive B. What is the meaning of exclusive? In the previous lectures I have already briefed you, but once again, A and B complement plus A complement ANDing B is equal to sum. AND means multiply, because AND gate multiplies two figures. So A multiplied by B complement plus A complement multiplied by B complement is equal to the sum factor, while carry out is very much easy, that A multiplied by B is equal to the carry out. This factor is taking carry out, I may write over here A, B, both the inputs when multiplied with each other we have carry out. Now I will design the another thing, that is the truth table. That is very much, truth table is basically working of all this sector. A, B, this is our input, A, B is input, and number one, sum is output, and then carry out is output. Both are the outputs. This is the inputs column and this is output column. Now we will count very normally. We will count over counting. First 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0, and then 1 1. First I will complete the sum column. Now A is 0, B is also 0, and we want to know what is the sum. Simply we all know that 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 multiplied by 0 is also a 0. Again we have 0 and 1. 0, A is 0, B is 1. I will put this figure in this formula. What is the formula? Formula says A, B complement plus A complement into B. Simple formula. Putting the values 0 over here, then B1 complement plus 0 complement into 1. What will happen? 0, this complement will become, also 1 will become 0, and 0 complement means 1 into 1. 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So 0 plus 1 means 1. So we have over here sum. What is the sum? Sum is 0 plus 1, 1, and carry out. How I will take the carry out? 0 into 1, 0 multiplied by 1 means 0. So I have here 0. Simply this circuit is now in process. I will design it more effectively. 1 plus 0, again 1 and 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, I will take 1 plus 1, sum will become 0. I will design this once again. I am putting the value. A is 1 and B is also 1. Simply both the values will become 1, 1. What will happen over here? 1 will become 0 and 1 is already 1. Over here 1 will become 0 and 1 is already 1. Both the values 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 multiplied by 1, 0, and 0 plus 0 is also 0. Right over here I have a 0. What will happen in carry out? If input A is 1 and B is 1, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to the 1. So very pretty simple circuit, very simple implementation of logical circuits, and I'm hopeful that you may understand my lecture. If there is any kind of queries, you may ask me in the Google Classroom of CIT second year. Thank you so much, and hopefully we will meet soon inshallah into the classroom. Thanks a lot.